Trees stand tall, waving leaves in the sunny breeze. Plants grow green with roots deep beneath the trees. Flowers bloom bright, dancing softly with buzzing bees. Leaves whisper stories when blown by the playful breeze. Birds build nests high up where no one sees. Sunlight shines down, helping plants grow with ease. Rain falls gently, watering seeds beneath our knees. Vines climb fences, wrapping around with leafy teeth. Nature sings songs through rustling grass and forest keys. We care for earth, planting love like growing trees. Rain falls gently, watering seeds beneath our knees. Vines climb fences, wrapping around with leafy teeth. Nature sings songs through